Question number 6. Two identical boxes containing different masses are sliding with the same initial speed. I have a box like this of mass m1. Similarly, I can write one more diagram also of mass m2. Okay, they are moving with the same, sliding with the same initial speed. They are moving with the same initial speed. Okay, on the same horizontal surface. So it means definitely they will not collide. First thing, they both come to rest under the influence of the frictional force on the surface. So somewhere here, let us say the object comes to rest, which means what? U equal to 0. How do the frictional force and acceleration of the boxes compare? So what should we do? Since it is moving, we can now say frictional force should be equal to mu times n, which is equal to mu times mg. Since there are two masses, I can now write ff1 should be equal to mu times m1g and ff2 should be equal to mu times m2g. Okay, we have got this. Then, so based on it, now what can we say? We can say frictional force is different. So therefore, they cannot be equal because it depends upon the masses and thus they are different. So this two can be right. Then what is the next thing? Acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration, how do I write here? Since you see it has an initial velocity v and comes to rest, there is a deceleration over here, right? So negative acceleration. So therefore, how do I do it? Let us say it stops after a given distance s over here. Okay, now what we do is we say the net force acting on it is in the opposite direction. We can now say ff1 is equal to m into a. Since it is ff1, I can put m1 into a. So ia can be written as ff1 divided by m1. What is ff1? Mu times m1 into g divided by m1. So this goes away. You get the answer is mu times g. So what is this? A1 over here. If it's similarly, if you do it for the second one also, what do you get? ff2 is equal to m2 into a. This is mu times m2 into g is equal to m2 into a2. So a2 should be equal to mu times m2g divided by m2, which should be equal to mu times g. So in both the cases, mu times g, that means accelerations are equal, right? So thus what you can say, the answer is different and equal.